If you are in your 50s or 60s, life insurance can still be a very important financial tool. Many people want coverage to protect their family, cover debts, or pay for final expenses. The good news is that several insurance companies offer policies designed for people over 50 with flexible coverage options. In this video, we'll look at two of the best life insurance companies for people in their 50s and 60s. The first option is Pacific Life. This company is often ranked as one of the best overall life insurance providers because it offers competitive pricing and strong financial stability. It provides several types of policies, including term life, whole life, and universal life insurance. One of the reasons Pacific Life stands out is that many of its policies build cash value relatively quickly and have reliable long-term projections, which can be important for people planning their finances later in life. The second option is Penn Mutual. This company is well known for its universal life insurance policies and strong financial ratings. Penn Mutual offers customizable policies that allow people to adjust coverage depending on their financial goals. Its universal life plans are also known for having competitive costs and strong investment performance, which can help policyholders build value inside their policy over time. So in summary, two of the best life insurance companies for people in their 50s and 60s are Pacific Life for overall value and strong policy options, and Penn Mutual for flexible universal life insurance plans. Choosing the right life insurance will depend on your health, budget, and the amount of coverage you need, so it's always a good idea to compare quotes before making a final decision. And that's it. If this video helped you learn about the best life insurance options for people in their 50s and 60s, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and insurance tips.